Money Box radio program. Money Box is a weekly personal finance radio program on BBC Radio 4. History. Money Box began in October 1977 with Louise Botting as presenter. It was the first personal finance radio program, and even today in the UK, it is one of the few. The program You and Yours, also on Radio 4, also includes much about personal finance, fraud and scams. Money Box Live launched in 1990. Transmission. Each Saturday Money Box is broadcast live in the half-hour slot just after 1200 local time with news and information about personal finance in the United Kingdom. It is repeated on Sunday evenings just after 2100 local time. Money Box Live. There is also a phone-in program Money Box Live answering listeners' calls and emails on one personal finance topic which changes each week. Money Box Live is broadcast on Wednesdays in the half-hour slot just after 1500 local time. Vincent Duggleby also presents. Money Box and Money Box Live are broadcast each week throughout the year except for 6 weeks from mid-July to late August. Both programs are also available live over the internet, and the current episodes can be listened to via the website for 7 days from transmission. A podcast can be downloaded. Transcripts and summaries of programs back to 2000 are available. Listener input. Listeners can contact the program via its website, link below. On the website there is a Have Your Say page which publishes listeners' views on one story from the current week's Money Box. Presenter. The presenter is Paul Lewis. He has presented since September 2000, having been a reporter on the program in the early 1990s. Between 1992 and 2000, the presenter was Alison Mitchell. From the program's start in 1977 to 1992, the program was presented by Louise Botting. The program has also been hosted by Naga Monchetti. Typical financial topics.